Hey, what's up, guys? So I traded actually, I traded a lot of tickers. With Snap, I took it on the long side, um, and it dropped. I got stopped out, but I made the money back when I actually took it on the short side after I got stopped out. I decided that this was a short. The reason for this is when you are looking at the 15-minute here, there was a level set here, it popped up, couldn't make it, went back down, and it was about to break through. So I just took it for the breakdown. It was looking at the 5-minute for that. And so that's what I did. Took it on the short side, broke down, and then I covered, and then I decided to go back long. So I went in, because after the reason why I got out here was I saw that it hit a wall, and so I feel like once it hits that, it may go back up a bit just for a quick bounce. And so that's what I did. I scalped it, went back in, accidentally hit hotkey error here where I bought more, and then I quickly got out. Now it's dropping back down. It may continue to go down since this is a weak stock. So yeah, this is sort of like where you should short the pop maybe. But anyway, so this is my play on Snap. I also did. I also traded PDD. So for PDD, I took it on long. It was holding this level for a long time, and if we look at the 60-minute here, it formed like a double bottom around this area. You can see it went down here on 714, 716 is like right there. So I decided to take it on the long side for a quick pop because it was holding this level pretty well. So when it went up and it kind of got stuck here on level 2, I got all out. I moved my stop loss from the bottom here to above this level because I don't want to give back my profit, and I basically got stopped out for a smaller profit on this last portion of my holdings. OSTK, I took in the long side. It dropped on me. I had this level, so if it breaks below this level, it will probably continue to go down. Even though it didn't in this scenario, but it's certainly a likelihood. So that's why I stopped out here. But then when I saw it came back up to where my original level is, I anticipated to go up here. Now it's about to hit VWAP, but it got stuck here, so that's where I exited most of my positions. So I went in long. I was watching this because this is a level of support. As you can see, it touched it here. This time it went through earlier. This time it touched it and went back up. So I made my money back on OSTK. DOCU, I made some small amount of money. This was my first trade in the morning. So basically what happens is when I looked at the 15-minute, actually you can see it on the 60-minute, it hit this level. It's not as clean as I want it to be. It hit this level, hit this, and went back down, and then it hit this, held it. I didn't think it was going to go back up. Set my stop loss right above that. Took it on the short side, and I just got it really quickly because the level 2 wasn't really too favorable, and the spread was was fairly high on the stock. So yeah, so that's basically what happened. So I took it on the short side, and it got out too quickly. As you can see, it just collapsed all the way down. 5-minute went all the way down to touch the moving average, the 50 moving average. But anyway, so that is what it is. BNTX dropped, was kind of messing around here, just chopping around. Took it on a short side, set a very close stop loss. Once it didn't do anything, I just got out. And so that was it. I had a small loss. Anyway, a bit long video today. Took a lot of takers. But yeah, so that was my day. Hope everyone else does well, and have a great weekend.